So we just completed the pre-drywall walkthrough, and it went pretty well.
Great. They did an awesome job.
Yeah, it's fun to see everything come together. And when we started back months ago with blueprints and floor plans and dreams, really, and just to see how far it's come and all the insulation in now, all the drywall kind of laying around ready to go up.
Yeah.
It's kind of fun.
Yeah.
Makes it kind of real. We've got a lot of packing to do.
I feel like
That's
they just did a really nice job at making like the things that we wanted to customize. They just didn't leave anything out, and
Yeah.
I just feel like that is the part that just makes it so much easier for like young home, like first home building experiences. Just to know that you send off all of your customized things that you know that you don't want to negotiate on, and they just remember those details. So we're just really thankful for that, and we just feel like Eastbrook does just such a great job at being in communication with us about those things. And
that's kind of what today was for. So it was fun.
Yeah, so fun, so exciting.